What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dante, and I have a bit of an unboxing for you here. I'm gonna just put it to you like this. I'm a little sweaty. I turned the air off, so I'm gonna be a little sweaty in here. I might use this a couple times, so don't mind me. But one of the reasons why I got this is because I only have one computer I can edit off of, and if something happens, it breaks down, and I'm stuck, a little bit of a backup plan for me. And I ain't gonna lie, I just wanted the 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the M1 Pro, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I believe it's the 10 core. Well, I guess when I can just look at it. Where am I at? 16 gigabyte, 1 terabyte SSD, and it doesn't say. Hold on. 16 core GPU. There you go. So basically this is just, you know, my backup plan. So let's go and get into this unboxing. Like I said, I just wanted to get one. I remember when I first talked about it, I wanted to get the 14-inch way back when, but that's when I was like, oh yeah, I just get that for, because when I got the M1 MacBook Pro last year or this year, whatever, I was like, all right, I'm kind of like, I don't really need the 14-inch because I already got the 13-inch. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to go a step higher. And plus, let's be honest, I'm going to be honest with y'all. When it comes to video editing on a 13-inch, it's the worst. The screen's too small. And trying to navigate Premiere Pro on that bad boy is retarded and just a pain. So, took it up a notch, got this, and let's get into it. All right, let me put this aside. Let's see what comes in the box. Got your literature. Got this heavy duty. What does this say? 140 watt. Wow. That's a beast of a charger here. You know, the little paperwork here. And we got MagSafe to USB-C. Okay. Let's go and get to and here we go. We have, oh, I turned on the wrong one. We have SD card slot, USB-C, HDMI is back, 2 USB-Cs, MagSafe, and a headphone jack. Now they say the headphone jack, you use high impedance headphones. I don't have any, so I don't know if it sounds any better, but let me open this up. Ooh, hear the bass. Yeah, I'm already feeling the screen straight from the jump. I'm not going to even fake it to you. You know, I got to set this up. I'm probably not going to edit this video on there because I want to play with it. This video is going to be done real quick because this is an unboxing video. I don't really got to do too much. But, you know, we got more ports. Got an SD card. I still use SD cards. I ain't got no hard drive shooting camera where I got to plug a hard drive into it and another adapter for that. I ain't got none of that. But I'm going to start doing live streams, and I'll probably use this computer right here to help out with that. So, yeah, anybody who has like a maxed out version of the 16-inch, let me know. See, I only shoot with a Sony AS7 III. Tongue rambling. So I don't shoot in 6 and 8K yet. So I'm kind of like the base somewhat version of this. I'm gonna see how it works out for me, because editing video from this camera from time to time on the M1 Mac Mini, it can take a toll on that computer. I have seen some slowdown, some drop frame rates, things like that. So I want to see if this will be any better at this baseline, you know, 16 gigabytes, 16 GPU, and terabyte SSD. Gives me some space to work with as far as the hard drive. So is this going to be a crazy step up or just minimal? I have to wait and see. Anybody has a maxed out version of this, let me know in the comment section.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I sure will. Give me a second. Let me know if you have this thing maxed out and it's like can handle 8K, 6K, all these different codecs. Let me know in the comment section. But that's pretty much it for this little unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for, you know, this is going to be my daily driver for a few weeks and kind of switch over from the M1 Mac Mini, which I'm still going to primarily use, but use this, put this in a daily use, and, you know, video editing, all kinds of stuff that I do, podcasting, you know, all these things, see how well that works out for this, and go from there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Peace.